Hi guys, we're on the way to Dominica. We're on the way to destination Dominica. So look forward to some good content and then we'll see you there, yeah? We're just on the way to the airport now. As you can see, we're heading on the road. We're heading on to the terminal.
Try nice perfume?
No, I'm after a million.
Try this one, and then you never wear the million more. This is a bestseller one, which is woody and musky.
Oh.
It's more attractive than the million. The million is very old perfume, but this is a new one with a new ingredient.
Okay.
It's making amazing smell on your skin, and it's more linger. And it stays longer because it's actual perfume. But the price is exactly the same price.
What's the price?
It goes down to £66 for 60 ml or £86 for 100 ml.
Okay, so is that one of the best as well, yeah?
Yes, it's a best seller one on G1 Tube. It's a nice perfume and good quality.
Yeah, I love that one.
Can you go for the largest one? Because just £20 different and you can get another 50 ml as you wish.
That one is
Smaller size?
yeah. Yeah, just checking our gates, making sure we get the right flight. Hi guys, yeah, so we're on the way to Dominica. Can't wait for the journey. Excited. Yeah, we're just at the airport now, just waiting. Yes, heading down to the gates, people. Heading down to the gates. Yeah. This is kind of empty. Yeah, finally got here. Gates 38. Good to go. I guess we're boarding now. Yeah, excited. I guess we're boarding now.
I've been told to go through that side.
Yes guys, we're on board, ready to go. Yeah, hopefully we'll be shooting off soon. But yeah, look forward to the next episode. I'll catch you in the next one. But yeah, it seems like it's a lovely weather out there. Nice weather today. Looking forward to the flight. So, whoa, nice one. Guys, we're heading to Antigua and then we'll do a connection in Antigua, heading to Dominica. Okay, that's the journey today. So we're boarding from London Gatwick and we're heading to Antigua. Final destination, Dominica. Yeah.
Thank you, cabin crew. Please take position for the video demonstration. passengers continuing on to St Kitts, we ask you to remain on board during this transfer.
Hi guys, we're down in Antigua. First stop from the UK, so we'll be heading to Dominica in the next 2 hours. So look forward to the journey. I'm already excited because the weather is great. Anyway, see you guys there in the next episode. We finally made it to Dominica, so we're on our way to now. Just got the taxi, just left the airport, and the way to Campbell. It's a bit dark, but again, we'll see you when we get on the other side. Alright, take care, bye. Hi guys, we're on our way to town. We're gonna see what the town is like, and we'll do some vlogging. But yeah, the weather is great out here, and we're gonna explore and see what it's like. Yes guys, lovely weather outside. Vegetation is so green and clean. Wow, that is beautiful. We're just heading down to the town and see what's going on. There's another one coming. Yes, on the route from Campbell to Roso. Yeah, Campbell to Roso. Lovely vegetation, beautiful. Just on the road from Campbell to Roso, and it's a beautiful weather today. That's Tetmon Village, heading down to Maho. Yeah, that's Tetmon Village, heading down to Maho. Lovely weather. Yeah, that's Tetmon Village, Tetmon Village, heading down to Maho. Yeah, that's Tetmon Village, Tetmon Village, heading down to Maho. Yeah, that's Tetmon Village, Tetmon Village, heading down to Maho. village. We're in Maho village. Busy town. Credit union. That's Kenfield Airport. Kenfield Airport right there. Lovely sunshine. It's a Massat Primary School. Yes guys, we're down in Kenfield. Just gonna visit the superstore, see what they got for us, some drinks, some food. Okay, catch you up later. Nice. Chicken. Yeah. Try some Guineas. Way forward. Yeah. Green bananas. Spice, local spice. Yeah. Ginger. Sea moss right there, sea moss. That's a nice stone ginger wine, very nice. Mixed with some spice rum. Entering into Roso, the Roso town center. Nice and hot today. Yes, as a drive-through in KFC's, it's a bit busy today. I know for Sunday it's quite busy today, but yeah, that's a drive-through in KFC.
So can you repeat what you have for me? Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
This is just standing up right there telling me go.
KFC, hold on. You know, just had our KFC. Yeah, we need to get some kid juice or something. Huh? Driver, where are we going to, driver? Where are we going to?
We're going to the Dominica Infirmary.
Oh,
To
really?
see the granddad.
Ah, that's good then.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. It's a nice day today, to be honest.
It's a bit overcast.
It's normally raining.
Few scattered showers. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but overall it's a good day. Not so hot. So you can be out there and not be too uncomfortable.
That's it. I'm going back into the town now.
Yeah, so we're going back into the city.
Point Michelle? No, at Point Michelle. Point Michelle. Driver, where are we going?
We're going to possibly Scots Head.
Scots Head. Okay, the driver is taking us to Scots Head.
Yeah.
Is there anything nice down that way?
Hopefully we find a place that's open.
Okay. Nice.
But it's weekend.
I'm looking forward. To be honest, I would like to get some fried fish or something. You know, some nice food, bakes and chicken. But yeah, we'll see what we get on the other side anyway. But we'll
I
see.
didn't want to go down on the west again, so maybe it's true again.
Because we usually raise what we're if you get a continuation, but we call from every up. What they didn't say was that.
Point Michelle.
This is overlooking Scots Head.
Is that a slide? Is that a landslide there?
Quarry.
Oh, quarry.
They only have bars up there by the hot water, you know?
I think the one is a by itself.
Hi guys, we head into Bamboos, a place called Bamboos. My driver is taking me up there, so we're gonna see what it's like. It seems like it's a bar, a nice little hot water area, but it seems good. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's the bamboo bar. There's a bamboo bar down there. Yes, people, we're just having our first spice and ginger wine, the famous drink of Dominica. Lovely. What is?
Like sulfur.
Ah,
Like the actual sulfur.
that's the actual sulfur, yeah?
Yeah. If you put the matches in it,
Light up.
it lighten up. Smoking.
Nice, man. Wow. That's a famous peacock, Dominica. Lovely, lovely. Famous peacock. Lovely. Yeah. It's Izzy's birthday.
No, not yet, not yet. We have to sing happy birthday to you. You ready, Owen?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, some lovely mangoes. Nice mangoes. Really nice mangoes. Yeah. They're all over the place. Wow, check this out. Yeah, flood.
You know what fruits?
Oh.
Look at a nice
Oh.
pretty one over there.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Mm. Oh. It's way on the front. Guys, look at this. That is so beautiful. It's nice and juicy. I'm gonna taste them. Nice mangoes. Lovely mangoes. Let's see them. Mm. Only in Dominica. Only in Dominica. Mm. That is nice. Scots Head, that's the Atlantic Ocean, yeah? Alright, so that's the Atlantic Ocean right there, and obviously that's the Caribbean Sea. Beautiful.
See the Caribbean Sea?
Yeah.
See the choppiness of the Arabic Ocean?
Yeah. This one is more chocolate. So we're trying to head to this mountain. It's called the End of Dominica, Scots Head. Scots Head Point. Hi guys, so we're at the Scots Head at the very end point of the island, Scots Head. Nice place, very nice. So the view here is just amazing. Wow, that is amazing. Look at that. That is lovely. Amazing. As the Scots said.
See the mountain over there?
Yeah.
That would be Jungle Bay. All the little cottages you see in there.
Oh, that's the Jungle Bay over there.
Right, so you can imagine the view they have there.
Yeah. Wow.
So watch it. Caribbean Sea,
Caribbean Sea,
Atlantic Ocean.
and the Atlantic Ocean.
It's a sheltered bay. It's also a national park.
Ah. That's the fort right there. Wow. That's the sunset.